myself, in hindsight, one of the things I wish that we'd maybe explored a little bit more is the data that we wanted to pull from the system, rather than what we wanted the forms, events, interactions to look like going into the system. And I think that would have allowed us to build the system initially the way that we needed it to. I think we, as we mentioned before, spoke about regulation. So we were trying to meet the regulation, which we need to do. But there's also a lot of information that we want to pull out, which Donna can use in her team. And I think if we could have gone back, maybe Donna had some more time prior to rolling it out within those 3 weeks, we'd have looked at it slightly different. And I think that's something that I think is good to think about and understand if you were to roll the system out again, is to think exactly in reverse, what do you want to take from the system? And then obviously the support services can help you to build it in that specific way.